What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Arrie. Today I just got my box in. I did a Amazon little shop, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got because I feel like I saved money and I love saving money. But this is definitely Hygiene. This is one of the things that I got, you guys. Look at this. This is the rain bath. And let's see here, I got 3 scents. We got pear and green tree, and then we got the original, and then we got the pomegranate. I have been waiting to try these other scents. There's a blue one that I want to try too that's not in here, but I didn't even know they made pear and green tea. I bet that smells so good. I cannot wait to try this. Look at it. I got this whole thing, I think, for $30. It's much cheaper than going to the store because I think it's $12, around $12, a little bit more for each one individually. If you go to Walmart, anywhere else, they're going to be about at least $12 each. So I got all 3 of these for like $30. It was a steal. I'm like, oh my goodness, you guys know Neutrogena makes the best products. Oh, these smell. I love the original. I haven't tried the pear. I cannot wait to try these and let you guys know what I think about them. But each one of them, let's see how many ounces are there here. They're big and they really do last a long time. Let me just open them and smell it. They're each 16 ounces each. So let's see. This is the pear one. I can't wait to smell it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it smells so clean. Oh yeah, this smells super clean. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to see. I do smell the pear and I smell the green tea. I smell both of them. It has a very clean, soft scent. But as I mentioned before in my other videos with the Neutrogena rain bath, the smell really ignites when you hit water. So I smell the cleanness, I smell the softness in here, but once you hit water, that's when you're going to have a whole experience. The rain bath is really worth every dime. It is a little bit more, but like I said, this is going to be the treat time. You know, this is going to be the shower gel that you use just for a pick-me-up or a lift. You don't use this every day. I don't, because I save those coins, okay? But now since I got 3, who knows, I might just. Okay, so this is the pear and green tea. I keep saying green tree, but it's green tea. And it does smell great. Okay, next up is the original scent. And it's kind of hard for me to explain. This just smells good. It smells good. It has more of a maybe earthy scent. Let's see here if it has any. I don't know, but you guys, you have to try it. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It's just a clean and then like a little earthy scent. I don't know, but I absolutely adore this. I've bought this several times, but yeah, this is definitely worth the money. Okay, so the last of the Neutrogena is the pomegranate scent. I've never smelled this, so let's see. Oh, yeah, these have the cleanest scents to me. It does smell just like pomegranate. It smells like pomegranate, but it's very soft and subtle. But like I said, when they hit the water, it's a whole nother story. It's a whole nother story. Definitely going to try this out, and I'll let you guys know about the 2 that I haven't tried, and you know, maybe which one is my favorite. Amazing. Can't wait to try these. But yeah, so that's all of the rain bath, and I got one other stack, and I can't wait to open this. And this is the Dove. You guys, I know some people hate Dove. I love Dove. I do. It's just a little bit high for me. But I got this in a bundle, and it was definitely cheaper as well. I think this one was, it was either 30 or 36 as well. Maybe it was 36. But let's open it and see what do we get. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 different doves. The first one is Nourishing Silk, and here it is. So this is like a moisturizing. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? The Daily Silk by Caress, but it's different. Ooh, oh my. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. It's really nice. I love the way that smells. And this is Nourishing Silk. Ooh, I like that. I like that one. Ooh, okay, so this one is calming. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This one is calming. Pistachio, cream, and magnolia. Ooh, I didn't even know they had this one. Oh. It smells like pistachio, cream, and magnolia. I don't really smell magnolia. Maybe I do at the end. Oh yeah, I can't wait to try these. This is calming, so this would probably be a nice one to bathe in at night or shower before you go to bed to relax. Oh wow, that's nice. I gotta try that one. I can't wait to try these out. I've never tried any of these. Okay, and this one is the Relaxing. There's another Relaxing. And this one said jasmine petals and coconut milk. Ooh. Oh, it smells like jasmine. It smells just like jasmine. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to try these, you guys. This one's a Relaxing. Okay, so let's see here. And this is a Deeply Nourished. Absolutely love this one. I have tried this one. It's one of my favorites. Very clean. Very clean. Yeah. Okay. And we got 2 more. Okay, this one is the Gentle Scrub. I love an exfoliating body wash. This just gently exfoliates and moisturizes skin. So let's see. It smells good too. It has a nice smell. Very nice smell. Yeah, this is a steal. I think that was a good deal. I'm gonna do this from now on instead of going, you know, to Walmart and purchasing them one at a time. It seems like they're more that way. Ooh, now this is the Pampering. Oh, look at that. And this one is in shea butter and vanilla. How nice. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited to try these out. Have you guys tried any of these before? Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know your favorites, which one you like the best. I'm so excited to try these out as far as the Neutrogena and the Dove. Like I said, I got a deal. I think it's better to buy in bulk, and you save money that way. It seems like I saved quite a bit of money doing that. So I am so excited. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care.